Hello, my lovely sunshines. It is so good to be back with you today for another video. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my vegetarian omelette. So first, we're going to add some grapeseed oil to our non-stick hot skillet. So just add a generous amount. You don't want to add too much because you don't want it to be swimming in oil. Next, you want to add your vegetable mix. I just have some onions and peppers and tomatoes in this mix right here because I'm trying to keep it simple for right now and beautiful at the same time. Look at those colors. It is so pretty. Now we just saute the vegetable mixture so that we can get it all soft and moist. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share this recipe. It is a great go-to meal for those who are vegetarian. This is the Morning Star breakfast sausage that I will be adding to it to make it nice and wholesome. It's a really nice hearty meal for those who, you don't have to, it don't necessarily have to be for breakfast. It can be for a meal. I eat this a lot of times for dinner. So yeah, you should really try this recipe, guys. It is delicious. Took my sausage straight from the freezer, so it's frozen. So I'm just trying to give it a little time to get heated in the oil so I can mince it. But if you want, you can put yours out to get to room temperature before you even start. So that's an option as well. Or even if you don't want to make this a vegan meal, you could put like real sausage in if you want. That's an option too. I just use my spatula to cut all of these up because it's easier for me. But you can cut yours beforehand if you want, so you can be prepared and everything. I'm just trying to make this quick and easy. Look at how beautiful that is, guys. It is so beautiful. So now we're gonna add our just eggs to the mixture. Remember to shake well because you gotta shake it well because it likes to separate. So when you pour it into your pot, you can see that it is like just like when you scramble eggs, that's what it looks like. I like to make sure that it's evenly distributed in the pot so that all my veggies will be inside the omelet and it holds together real nice. Look at how beautiful that is, guys. It's coming together so nicely. So next we're gonna season our omelet with some garlic. We're gonna use some black peppers, some peppers, onion powder, paprika, just salt. Don't forget your salt. That's yeah, that's the go-to ingredient, the salt. So make sure it is well seasoned because that will bring out all the flavors. Oh, and your Italian seasoning. Don't forget your Italian seasoning. All of those things together, it brings up the flavor so nice and make it taste so good. It's the bomb, y'all. Y'all should definitely try this recipe and leave a comment. Let me know how it tastes. How did you like it? Like, what did you change? What you think I could have added? Because, I'm always up for suggestions and stuff. So, yeah, just let me know. If you try it, let me know what is your add adages or what you took away from it because, food is a science. We all can learn. We all have our different ways of doing it. So just let me know how you did yours. And with this, as you can see, I'm trying to mix all my seasoning into the omelet so it can be evenly distributed like before. I have my fire on a medium heat, so I have time to, add all the stuff that I need to add. So now that it's coming together, what you see me doing is moving the edges into the mixture so that everything can get nice and cooked. Because if you let it sit like that and cook, you're gonna have all the mixture sitting in the middle. You have to pull away the edges and pull it into the middle so that the part that's not yet cooked can go to the edges and start forming again. Our omelet is finally coming together real nice. As you can see, that is so beautiful, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this recipe with your friends. Comment, let me know what you think. You just want to shake it to ensure that the bottom is cooked and it is releasing nicely. Now that we got that part cooked, we're gonna flip it. So you just flip it onto a plate and then you just flip it back into the pot. That's my trick because you don't want to just cook it on one side. That is gonna make the inside raw and it's not gonna taste as good as it's supposed to be. So you just use the plate, flip it. Now we're going to add our cheese. I like to add cheese slices along with some, shredded cheese blends so I could get it nice and cheesy in the middle. So I use about 2 to 3 slices depending on how cheesy I'm feeling, because I love cheese, that is the only dairy product in this mix, in this recipe. So yeah, but I love cheese, so I add a lot of cheese to it. But you can choose however much cheese you want, just depend on your tolerance or what you like. Or if you want to make it a straight up vegan recipe, you can add vegan cheese to it. So that is also an option as well, from vegetarian to vegan, just by adding vegan cheese. See, this is so versatile. Now, all I have to do next is just flip and fold, and it's gonna be ready. Yes, just flip it over to a fold. And what I do sometimes, I just flip it on each side for a few more extra seconds, just to get both sides cooked and the cheese well melted. Just let it stay enough for the cheese to get melted and nice. Now all you gotta do, guys, is flip it onto your plate and enjoy. This is so beautiful, and trust me, the aroma is so good right now. It is delicious. This is a good recipe for you to try, especially for people who are trying to, switch up their diet, trying to lose weight, like I'm trying to do right now. I'm going to be talking to y'all about my weight loss journey and stuff soon. So watch out for that. So enjoy. Look at that ooey gooey inside, guys. That is how I love my omelette. This is so delicious. So now for the taste test. Yes, that was so good. I can't even stop praising. That was nice. This is a very delicious arty meal. You will not regret trying this recipe and sharing it with your friends, guys. Share the video, share the recipe. Let me know how you like it in the comment. I tell you, it is good. You will not regret it. Okay? So, yeah, just enjoy. Even my 20-month-old baby loved this, guys. So it's good. Enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and have a sunshiny day.